But let's switch gears right now and talk about the airline industry. A few areas have been hit harder than the aviation industry during COVID-19, and many airlines have had to get creative with respect to services, and that includes dining and catering and food. For more on this, we're joined by Michael Bach. He's the manager of catering for Air North, the Yukon's airline. Welcome to BT, sir.
Well, thank you for having me.
It's a fascinating story. So first of all, tell us, once the pandemic started months ago, what were some of the protocols that were evolving and the ways that Air North were changing with respect to safety guidelines and things like that?
Well, the first thing that we noticed was that we had to enhance our cleaning protocols on board our aircrafts. So the grooming team stepped up to the challenge and did enhanced cleaning, and we also purchased a electrostatic sprayer and started spraying the interiors of our aircrafts to better cover contact surfaces, as well as areas that you may have more difficulty in getting with just a normal wiping of a rag. This is done on every flight after it arrives back in Whitehorse or during turns in Vancouver.
Now, the complimentary in-flight snack service was suspended, and that led you to think, what can we do with all of the food that we produce? Because there's a great sort of catering opportunity here. So tell us how that sort of evolved.
So when we did remove the catering from the flights, we knew that we wanted to keep a few of our staff working, and we also knew that from the success that we had seen in the grocery stores and the popularity of our in-flight meals that we were selling there, we decided that we would come up with a menu. We took us a little bit to do so, but we did, and we came up with a menu and launched it and started to supply meals to people's homes.
So are these actually for delivery as well, or do people go pick them up? There's a shot of the website. Those are some of the items you can get, but how does it work if people go on the website and order the food provided by the airline?
Because we're a flight kitchen, we didn't really want anybody coming to our facility due to just the hygiene behind that. So we only have a delivery service. So people can order their meals online, and then we have times of the days that we will deliver to their homes within city limits. And
what kind of meals are available through the website right now, Michael?
Right now we have more of our comfort style menu that we put together. So macaroni and cheese, or ham macaroni and cheese, is really popular. Cabbage rolls to shepherd's pie to some pot pies that we've done as well, and we just so
that's all good stuff for the impending winter months. Are the items available as well in local grocery stores or food stores there in Whitehorse?
Well, we've been in the grocery stores for about 3 years now. It started with our cheesecakes that we started to sell that were formerly on the aircraft, or on the aircraft as well.
Right.
And now we have bison shepherd's pie, Thai chicken curry, Thai spring rolls, lasagnas. So we have quite a few items that are just exclusive to the grocery store.
And Michael, just talk to us about how proud you must be to be able to retain the staff to be able to still provide these kind of services right now during the pandemic.
That's right. I've gone through a lot with this staff. We've had a lot of events that we've also catered to outside of the airline industry. So you build quite a rapport and a friendship with them. So it was great to see that we could come together and all come up with an idea that would be a great service to our communities, and as well as keeping the employees that work for you employed.
All right, before we let you go, what's the temperature there in Whitehorse today?
-8 this morning.
Okay, bundle up. Thanks so much for your time this morning.
All right. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you take care. That's Michael Bach from Air North, the Yukon's airline. And Russ has your full forecast coming up. Don't think it's going to be -8, though.